Hello everyone and welcome to the first video on this channel. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Alex and I'm nearly 15 years old. Also my birthday is on 18th of August. I'm a person attentive to details and I like what I do to come out the way I want. I used to have a YouTube channel in the past. This means I have been creating content on this platform since 2017. But today I decided to take it from zero. That's how this channel will look. You will see videos related to gaming, but also tutorials. Besides these two important branches, we will be able to do other things a little more special, such as unboxings or vlogs. So if you like the idea, don't forget to subscribe and I hope we will be a large community.